Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Numaan Sharif Pandit from Yaripora, Kulgam, and currently we are here in the science lab of Green Valley Educational Institute, and this is the second experiment of today, and the second experiment is related to prism. It is based on the pure refraction, and the materials which we are going to require for this experiment are a drawing board, a drawing sheet, and a piece of prism and pins. So we have to prove that the sum of angle of incidence plus the sum of angle of deviation is equal to sum of angle of emergence plus sum of angle of prism. So the procedure of this experiment is really simple. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna place a piece of prism. So let's try to define what is prism. A prism is simply a piece of refracting surface which is bounded by two triangular surfaces and three rectangular surfaces. So I have placed here the prism and marked the outline of this prism. And now the second step of this experiment is that we have to make the incident ray on a particular angle except 90 degree. So I have marked the incident ray here on the side AB, and we have to place two pins. I have placed two pins on the incident ray, and the angle which I have marked here, the angle of incidence is equal to the 60 degree. Now we have to place two more pins on the other side of the prism in such a way so all that the four pins are in the same line. I have taken two more pins here and placed them on the other side of prism in such a way so that all the four pins are in the same line. Now after joining this, we have to take forward the incident ray, and the point where the incident ray and the emergent ray meet, it is termed as angle of deviation. Now at last, the thing which we have to do is measure all the four angles, and I have measured these four angles with the help of protractor, and the sum of angle of incidence plus sum of angle of emergence is equal to 120 degree. Now the question is, if the sum of angle of deviation plus sum of angle of emergence is equal to 120 degree, it means that our experiment is successful and the geometrical things are really good. Now let's try to mark two more angles. Here I can clearly see with the help of protractor the angle of prism is equal to 60 degree, and also the angle of deviation is equal to 60 degree, and the sum of angle of incidence plus sum of angle of emergence is equal to sum of angle of prism plus deviation. It means that our experiment is correct. Now I would like to conclude from here by saying thanks to Mr. Ritu sir who have provided me the opportunity to perform this experiment. Thanks, wish you all the best.